Uniden Solo X2K Bell Plus is a smart way to stay connected with deliveries, visitors, and more at your front door. It includes crystal clear 2K Super HD video and two-way audio, letting you interact with visitors remotely. 100% Wi-Fi, it installs in minutes to provide instant security. The Fisheye lens offers a full view, from the ground to see packages, up to eye level to capture faces. A high-quality sensor with color night vision ensures clear detail day or night, while AI intelligent alerts minimize unwanted notifications. Uniden cameras include 7 days of rolling cloud coverage for the life of the product. No compulsory subscriptions, no extra costs. For reliable convenience and added security at your doorstep, the Solo X2K Bell Plus is a top choice. Visit uniden.com.au for details.